We was looking for some African food to eat, so we found this restaurant called Finger Licking. So I'm gonna give you a review over it. But this is the outside here. It's on the south side of Houston, Bissonnette. This is the menu, and I've had this meat pies before, and they're awesome. So we try to order some of those a day, but they didn't have any. They say they only serve them on Fridays. So I'm just giving you a quick view of the menu. So what we decided to order was this Jollof Rice. It comes with, so we got the tripe and also the beef. So this is what the plate looks like. And the sauce is off the chain. You can't ask for no better sauce. But the tripe and the beef, it was really tough. It was hard to chew. But as far as the flavor, it's great. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.